Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Surfer, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So in last video we saw about some basic structure of switch case, like how it works, but in today's session we are going to have a look how it actually works. So we'll be implementing the ideas that we saw in the last video. Before starting, just do subscribe to the channel to get some more informative videos like this. And now let's quickly get started. What we are going to do in today's video is that we will have we'll calculate the not I would not say calculate, but we'll just show the output of the grades. Like if a student has got grade A, then it will show here excellent. If it has got B, then it will show here good, and for C it's average, and for anything else it would be better luck next time. So yep, this is what we are going to do in today's video, because these things are really easy when you work with this switch case. So let's put this thing into comment first, and there we go. So first of all, we'll initialize a variable named grade equals to, let's give it for example A for now. Now the switch statement that we saw last time was switch and the brackets, the variable that we are going to use, and curly braces with the cases down here. So the first case in our scenario will be case A, that is grade A. So we'll be, as it is character, so we'll be writing it in a single inverted comma with a colon, not a semicolon. Then here we'll print out the statement. So here that thing would be excellent, and the very most important thing is break here. So without wasting the time, I'll quickly just copy paste these things down here. Control V, Control V. So this will be the B. Here it will be good, C, and here it will be, what was that, average. And the second most important thing is default case with a colon and the printf statement. Here will be the better luck next time, and the break statement here as well. So yep, this is a program as we saw in the last video. You guys can look at the last video to understand the basic structure of this thing. Now let's quickly execute this thing and see what output we are getting down here. So as we entered A here, so as we saw it is A, so we'll call excellent here. Now let's just make it a bit dynamic. Let's first quickly have a look on B, how what it shows. Yeah, it's working properly, so let's just make it a bit dynamic. Here it will be just grid, and we'll take it from the user input. So let's get printf, enter your grade please, and semicolon with a scanf statement here, and there will be percentage C here because we are using the character. Please make sure that you guys look into this, and the ampersand grade here. So this is as simple as we did the last time. That is just we are taking the user input from the, and what we got wrong here is the S, and let's run it for, yep, enter your grades. I'll enter A. We are getting excellent. And let's do it again. Your grade B. Yeah, good. And let's do their F. Oh, better luck next time. So yep, this is what we got in the today's video. I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and see you guys in the next video. Till that time, take care.